I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Halima. Good evening, everyone. Before introduce my topic, I want to show you something. This is just a plastic bottle, right? How many of how many of you have used one of these type of plastic in last few days? Do you know this plastic will take nearly 450 years to fully decompose? Now imagine billions of plastic in every year, in ocean, in landfill, or somewhere in the air that we breathe in the form of microplastic. So this plastic, actually it is not a trash. It is a symbol of climate change and the environmental damage of how our daily habits, daily choices are harming our planet. So this is not about just a plastic. It is about our big issue called climate change. And today I will talk about the climate change awareness. Now, what is climate change? Climate change means long-term shift in temperature and weather, mainly caused by the burning of fossil fuel. Means when we burn the coal, petrol or diesel, they are releasing the carbon dioxide and methane gas. These are the greenhouse gases. They contribute the greenhouse gas emission. As you see in this picture, the earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of greenhouse gases. That's the reason earth is heating up faster than ever before. This is not natural and this is also not normal. This is human made acceleration of destruction. So, what is causing climate change? When we drive car, fly planes, or when we run the factories of industries. So these activities are emitted the gases, carbon dioxide and other type of gases that contribute the global warming. When we cut the trees, so extra carbon dioxide into the air because plant absorb the carbon dioxide, and when we cut the plant, so that carbon dioxide directly emitted into the air and create a climate change. Same as agriculture or food waste. As I discussed that in my previous presentation, when we throw the food waste or the agricultural waste into the landfill, so they release methane and carbon dioxide gases, and they create the global warming and climate change. So what is the environmental effect of climate change? Before explaining these effects, just raise your hand if you ever felt the extreme temperature in last few years or in recent year, or seen flooding in the areas or in the place where it never used and happened like UAE, or noticed food and water becoming more expensive. if you
Yes, yes.
notice this if you notice these things, it means that is a climate change, not in your textbook, not on your screen, but in our daily lives. So these are the climatic effect on the environment. Rising temperature, melting ice, rising the sea level, extreme weather events, somewhere heat waves, somewhere floods, loss of wildlife, water shortage, food production problem, or for these activities we are damaging our ecosystem. Because when nature suffer, it also affect our health and safety. Now, the climate change awareness. Each of us can be a part of this solution. There are so many steps so that we can reduce our global warming. Save electricity. Turn off the ACs or light when not needed. We can use the public transport or even go by walk. Plant more trees, or we can protect our animal and ecosystem. We are following the 3 R's rule, that is reuse, recycle and reduce. There is one more rule now is added, I think refuse. So we can just refuse to the plastic. When we follow these rules, so we can build a safe future for the next generation. But changes does not begin with the making rules and the policies. It begins with our habit, our choices, and the mindful actions. UAE steps toward the climate change. Masdar City, Abu Dhabi, and the Sustainable City of Sharjah is a UAE's vision to green and clean energy, means zero waste, zero carbon. Mangrove reforestation. UAE plans to plant 100 millions of mangroves by 2030. Abu Dhabi has already started over 45 millions of mangroves since 2020. Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park, aiming to provide 5,000 megawatt of energy by 2030. Baraka Nuclear Power Plant, it's already providing 5,600 megawatt of energy, which is sufficient for the 2 billions of home. UAE Net Zero 2050 strategy. UAE plans to permanently stop the greenhouse gases into the atmosphere by 2050. So these are the policies and plans not only for the government's responsibility, it is everyone's responsibility. So now, ending this session, I would like to ask one question to my audience. What if climate change knocked at your door? What would you do? You have four options. Option A, ignore it. Option B, blame others. Option C, take action. Or option D, lead change. Please type your answer in the chat box.
Option D.
Now it is our responsibility to pass on this green planet to our future generation so that they can breathe in clean and fresh air. Thank you for listening and participating. Thank you so much.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Ending was really fantastic. When you ask the questions and engage the audience in your presentation, that's really fantastic. Thank you very much, Meenal. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy to see the transformation from first presentation to this fourth presentation. It's really
Thank you.
appreciable.